We will see new trick to learn 17 times table. For that we will write 7 times table first. Like this. 7. This is the 7 times table. Now we will add 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. And the result will come, it will be 17 times table. Like 17, 34, 21 plus 30 is 51, 28 plus 40, 68, 35 plus 50, 85, 42 plus 60, 102, 49 plus 70, 119, 56 plus 80, 136 and 63 plus 90 is 153. Last 70 plus 100 is 170. Here is our 17 times table. So you have to follow only 2 steps. First write 7 times table and add from 10 to 100 and you will get 17 times table. Now 17 into 8. If we want to know this, we will write 7 into 8 is equal to 56 plus 80 because this is 8 times. So we will add 80 is equal to 136. For example, 17 into 5. So we will write 7 into 5 is equal to 35 and we will add 50 because this is 5 times table. So this is equal to 85. In this way, we will get 17 times table. I hope this video will help you. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day. Do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the notification bell for latest update. Thank you. Have a nice day.